This how to 1 minute will show you how to check plagiarism for ChatGPT. So first of all, we need to open a website called DupliChecker. Open duplichecker.com and make sure to copy the essay or text or reply from ChatGPT and scroll down and paste your text here. Scroll down. Ensure that you are not a robot by checking this option and click on check plagiarism. And it may take some time to scan your text here. Once it's scanned, here you will get the plagiarism rate. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.